Having a lot of warm temperatures, but it's been sparking some wildfires and such in the area. Brittany, hopefully there's some chance of rain on the 7-day forecast. Fingers crossed.
Hoping to see it.
We at least have a chance, yes. So that's a lot more positive news than what we've been talking about in recent weeks. Before we get to the chance of precipitation, let's talk about that record-breaking warmth that's in the forecast for today, and temperatures, they are off to the races. You can see many areas already into the 70s. We have that southwesterly wind component. It's not just going to be a warm and unseasonable day. Our dew points are also going to be up a little bit. So a little extra moisture in the atmosphere. You're going to notice it. 70 at this hour in Lancaster. It's 71 in Philadelphia, 70 in Allentown. Closer to the shore, temperatures mid to upper 60s. Satellite and radar showing that we have a cold front that's back to our west out across the Ohio Valley. Ahead of that boundary, you can see the clouds that are out toward western Pennsylvania. Also some scattered showers. Some of the models are indicating we could have a stray shower in the Lehigh Valley this afternoon, but I think our best chance of seeing a shower comes overnight and first thing tomorrow morning. If it's an afternoon where you want to get an afternoon run in, it's going to be a warm one for you here. Clouds and sunshine, temperatures topping out right at 80 degrees today, and that would break a record here in Philadelphia. I'll let you guys know when it cools down and also when that rain comes in the 7-day forecast.
All right, some changes. Brittany, thank you. Your voice,
Got a shower early tomorrow morning. I think with the models, what they're showing the latest update, our best chance will come late Sunday into Monday. So let's get you up to speed with what's happening up until that point. No rain to track right now. PHL Airport, 71 degrees. We have plenty of sunshine. Our dew point is at 60. So I mentioned you're going to notice that uptick in the humidity today, and temperatures are rising very quickly. We're at 70 in Coatesville, 73 degrees there in Salem, 74 in Hamilton. A nice morning to be walking the boardwalk today. 69 in Sea Isle City, and even temperatures north and west into the Lehigh Valley, getting into the low 70s. We have that southwesterly wind component, and that's helping bump up our temperatures. But you're going to notice the fact that the winds, they are picking up. We've already had some reported wind gusts around 25 miles per hour. Lots of sunshine to go around right now. But if you look off to our west, let's say west of the I-81 corridor, you can see that there are some scattered showers and an increase in cloud cover over western Pennsylvania. This should kind of fall apart as it works its way to the east this afternoon. But ahead of that cold front, temperatures are set to soar. You can see all of the areas that we have the forecast in yellow. They are set to break the record high temperatures, and some of these records go back to the 1940s. 80 degrees here in Philadelphia will be enough to break the record of 79. Also looking at record-breaking warmth in Reading, Wilmington, even closer to the coast at Pomona. So here's a look at Future Tracker as we go into early tomorrow morning. We're going to start the day off with a lot of clouds as that cold front works its way south and east. The best chance of seeing a spotty shower will be near and south of the city of Philadelphia. It's not a lot of precipitation, but the good thing to note is this is not our only precipitation chance in the extended forecast. We'll get some clearing in the skies north and west tomorrow afternoon, and then skies really clearing out as we go into your Thursday night. So how's tomorrow looking? More clouds. Again, that spotty shower possible here in the city and points on south. Temperatures still very mild in the mid to upper 70s. Your exclusive AccuWeather 7-day forecast showing by Friday, sunny and still mild with a high at 70 degrees. Temperatures over the weekend trending cooler for Saturday and also Sunday. It looks like late Sunday into Monday, that's our best chance of seeing widespread precipitation. So we hold that threat into early Monday. 68 for Veterans Day, and Tuesday of next week, Alicia, still mild in the upper 60s, but we could really use that rain around here.
Yes, absolutely. We need it. Brittany, thank you.
Check in now with meteorologist Brittany Boyer to see more about that sprinkle we could expect.
Yes, but today is going to be another warm and dry day until that shower opportunity gets here. And a lot of locations today are feeling the warmth. If you compare things to 24 hours ago, a good chunk of the Northeast is feeling anywhere from 12 degrees warmer here in Philadelphia to 18 degrees warmer up in Portland, Maine. Just just for some perspective, this time yesterday here in Philadelphia, temperatures were only in the low 60s. We're up to 71 degrees right now, and we've got widespread warmth here up and down the I-95 corridor, and that will be the case for just about all today. We're ahead of a cold front, and ahead of that boundary, there are some clouds, some spotty showers over western and north central Pennsylvania. The cloud shield hasn't quite made it into the Harrisburg area yet, so that still brings us plenty of sunshine over the next couple of hours. Look at the temperatures today. By lunchtime, it's 76 degrees. We're forecasting a high of 80, which would break the record high temperature for today. And that is our big weather headline. We have record challenging warmth, not just for Philadelphia, but many reporting sites in our viewing area. A shower chance comes for some early tomorrow morning. We'll be talking about that. And also the fact that this mild pattern continues throughout the entire 7-day forecast. We'll look at that when I come back in just a couple of minutes, ladies.
All right, Brittany, thank you.
It is in November.
I know. I brought a jacket out this morning, and when I got into the car thinking it was going to be cold, and I was hot. I'm like, forget the jacket. It's warm out.
I know. This dress is for summer, but I was like, it works. It's going to be warm today. So just going with it because temperatures today are definitely going to be soaring. You can see the view now. Sky 6 Live looking toward the Ben Franklin Bridge. We have lots of sunshine out there. We've been talking about the record warmth that we're anticipating today. And even despite the fact that after today, we're not exactly looking at record warmth, the mild pattern really continues into next week. And just for some perspective, the latest 80-degree day on record is back in 1993 on November 15th. But should we hit 80 degrees today, which is what we're forecasting, that would be the second latest 80-degree day on record for Philadelphia. So we typically don't have these kind of temperatures this late in the season. And we've got lots of 80s on the map today from Williamstown, 81 in Pemberton today, 80 in Lansdale, 81 degrees out in Reading. So it's record warmth that we're anticipating today ahead of a cold front. Also ahead of that cold front, we have some scattered showers really broken this line here that's been moving through western Pennsylvania. We'll start to see a few more clouds filtering in as we go through this afternoon, and then overnight and first thing tomorrow morning, especially around Philadelphia and points on south. That's where we could see a spotty shower. Clouds give way to sunshine as we go through the afternoon, and temperatures even behind the frontal boundary tomorrow still very mild with a forecast high of 76 degrees. Meantime, in the world of tropics, yes, it is still the Atlantic hurricane season. We have what is now Hurricane Rafael that is now expected to become a major hurricane by this evening as it moves over western Cuba. It will weaken as it continues its journey through the Gulf of Mexico. The big question is how much of this tropical moisture gets pulled into the United States. So we're going to be watching this as we go into the weekend. We could tap into some of that tropical moisture late Sunday into Monday, but for now, your weekend, we've got a pair of 62-degree days, more clouds on Sunday, and we'll be watching for that shower chance late Sunday into Monday. Your exclusive AccuWeather 7-day forecast, record-breaking warmth, 80 degrees today. Tomorrow, we'll watch for that spotty shower, especially south of the city. It's still warm at 76. And overall, our temperatures are staying above average. Sunny and mild for your Friday. There's the pair of 62s this weekend with a shower chance late Sunday into early Monday. Veterans Day, 68 degrees. And you can see the mild air continues through next Tuesday with plenty of sunshine. We'll be right back.